Hey there, craft enthusiasts!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in crafting supplies. Today, we're diving into the world of summer crafts with what I believe is the absolute best, the JellyArch 30-pack Summer Wind Chime Making Kit. Now, what makes this kit stand out from the rest?
Let's break it down. First off, you get a whopping 30 pieces of wooden wind chime parts in 10 different shapes and sizes.
From adorable flamingos to juicy watermelons, this kit has it all. But it's not just about quantity, folks. The quality of materials here is top-notch.
These wooden pieces are solid, thick, and safe for kids to handle. Plus, they come with silk thread, stickers, and paint, so your little ones can let their creativity run wild. And let me tell you, the end result is simply charming.
Hang these handmade wind chimes by the window or in the garden, and you'll instantly add a touch of whimsy to your space.
Plus, when the breeze blows, you'll be treated to a symphony of soothing sounds. But wait, there's more. This kit isn't just about crafting for fun.
It's also a fantastic way to encourage creativity and imagination in kids. Whether they're making these for themselves or as gifts for friends and family, they'll be proud of their creations.
And speaking of occasions, the possibilities are endless with these wind chimes. They're perfect for summer parties, birthdays, or simply as a fun weekend activity. Imagine the joy on your child's face as they proudly display their handmade creation. So there you have it, folks. The JellyArch 30-pack Summer Wind Chime Making Kit is hands down the best summer craft on the market. With its abundance of materials, quality craftsmanship, and endless creative possibilities, it's a must-have for any young crafter. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy crafting!